Ooh-wee. Whose hair is this? Mine. It's growing out of the scalp. Have you ever wondered how you can get a high ponytail without using one of those 360 wigs? Well, today I'm here to show you guys how I got this up into a nice high ponytail without using the 360 unit. Come on, let's go. So yeah, I'm actually in a good mood. My friends from SunberHair sent me some hair. I'm loving the yellow packaging. It's just brightening me up today. Girl, it is 12 o'clock. So I actually got stuff to do. So I gotta put a little pep in my step. So I have to install this wig. I have to do my makeup, take pictures and all of that. And then I have to go to the bank. I have to pay some bills. I have to take Demi to the vet to get some blood work done because she's getting thick. I'm gonna go ahead and get Demi spayed. Ready before next month. I was debating about breeding her, but I don't know if y'all know, but Demi's stomach is very, very sensitive. Oh, let me show y'all this hairline because it is with the kinky edges. Plus with Demi's litter, she was the first one out of 11. So that's a lot of puppies that I would have to find a home for. And nowadays, people do not know how to treat dogs. They mistreat dogs. They beat them for no reason. You mad at the dog for pooping everywhere when you're not even taking them out every 30 minutes, after every nap, after every meal. Like, people have to do better, let alone they leave them in the cage for hours and then come home and beat their tail because they didn't use the bathroom. Like, I don't have time to think about that. Have to put my grandbabies in that situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her fixed. She's ready before, and hopefully her blood work comes back fine, and then she can get spayed next week. So let me show y'all the knots on this wig. You can see the knots a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my knots. All right, little time update. It is 1:01 and I'm doing my ball cap. You see the ultra thin ball caps that they sent me. You see that? They're so thin. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit more, and plus I am bleaching my knots. And look, oh my goodness, look at these curls now that they're moisturized. Like, they're so juicy. And right now this is just conditioner on it. 2:36. Hey, take me a little lunch break, baby. I'm hungry. And I set my wig outside for maybe about 30 minutes and it's partially dry. I'm ready to blow dry the inside of it. All right, y'all, so it is. I'm gonna start by hot combing my baby hair back because I don't want it to be in the glue. And then after I install it, I will define the baby hair again. And I'm going through and cutting the side tabs right now. Comb in the back and put that through. Since I will be pulling this unit up, that way it's already snug. Okay, so using the same process I always do, using my adhesive. And then I'll come back and talk through the style. And now just add a little makeup for the white parts. I do usually use a razor, but lately I just decided to go back to my scissors, honey. Doing a little jagged cut instead of straight across. Okay, so now everything is down. I'm gonna do my melt band one more time, just for a little extra hold. Like to stretch it. Ooh, nice and clean. Okay. So this is how it look if you would like to keep it down like in its natural curly state. Finished at 3:51. And I'm gonna just straighten everything now to put it in place, and then I'll go back to define my curls again. So these are the steps that I take to do a high ponytail with a wig that's not like a 360 wig. I'm just gonna pull out the edges, pretty much like the perimeter of the wig, and then I'll go back to add that into the ponytail later. Same thing over here. Baby rubber bands, Lord, give me strength. Okay, boom. All right, I'll just add some rubber bands to this to keep it out of my way. Okay, to get my curls back popping, I'm just use some detangling spray so I get those curls to pop back out. Okay, there we go. Ooh-wee. All right, so I have all of my edges out. Look at them. Going back in with my detangling spray. Get this wet enough to swoop. Of course, you can use water or a conditioner mix. Add a clip so it'll stay. Ooh, I did it. Oh yeah, I'm not going to the bank. It's 4:13. So now my goal is to just make sure I finish my hair before Demi's appointment. All right, so now I have both sides. Swoop. Now I'll add my rubber band to the back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna hairpin into my ponytail. And just like that. Okay. Now I will go ahead and get my curls back popping on this, and then I can add it. Okay, so now for the back, I'm just going to pull it up and add in hairpin. And I ain't worried about this just yet, because I'm going to fix that. See, and I'm pulling it up like very gentle. Okay, now I'm going to take more hairpins and just put it right here around the perimeter so that you can't tell that this is a wig. Alright, so now let's go through the bun. I just want to do like, you know, a curly, messy ponytail. Alright, now I'm going to add another rubber band kind of to the base because it's flopping too much. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's see what the back look like. Look good. Now my edges really quick. Because matter of fact, I think they're fine. I think I just want to leave my edges just like this. Yes, baby. Whose hair is this? Mine. It's growing out of the scalp. Oh my goodness. And then the two little pieces. Oh, they are giving me life. Okay, y'all, so it is 4:32. It is so cute. I'm so happy. Look at this. You see the front. Here's the side. And give it up for the back. Oh, this is adorable, man. I want me a breast doll. Okay, and that's how I put my hair into a curly ponytail without using the 360 wig. But really quick, I'm going to show you my hair in the natural light. See how it looks up close. See the lace. You see the kinky edges. See the curls. The back of my ponytail. It looks so good. Look at them. Let me see. Sit. She like sit in the middle of the street. Get the mama shit in the middle of the street. Let me see that smile. All right, y'all, so this is day number 2. Everything still look amazing. I took those hairpins from the back, but the ponytail is still formed from like having the hairpins in. I redid my bun different this time. But last night, all I did was I pulled these 2 pieces back and then I put a scarf on. And then, let me just take this off. See, it looks stretched because, and I did a twist. So I had 2 twists and I guess that stretched it. So this morning I got up like, okay, now what? So all I did was just spreaded it around, scrunched it up. It's like real messy. And then put my rubber band right on top. And now I have like this messy bun. And then I just pull my 2 pieces down because they stay curly. And that's it. I didn't do anything to my edges. My edges was like this. However, last night when I put my scarf on, I didn't put it on my edges. So. And then I just got out the shower. Pretty sure the steam from the shower kind of did its thing as well. But yeah, this is day 2. And y'all, I am in love with my hair. I feel so cute. But I'm ready to go out so I can edit this video here. So I'll see y'all later.